Imagine this, you just moved to a new town and you are looking for a new hairdresser. You don't know anyone, so you go to Google Maps and you start searching for it. And 2 salons pop up. One of them has 47 reviews and a 4.7 stars. The other one has 6 reviews with 3.7 stars. Which one would you pick? Well, you already know the answer. Our brain goes directly to the one that has more reviews, and that's the one that we become more interested in. That's what most humans do. We just go to the one that has more stars and more reviews. Not because the other salon is bad, because we don't know and we will never find out, but because we need trust. Because when we are looking for a service, our brain is scanning for trust signals, and reviews is a big one. That can be the difference between a salon that is fully booked and very busy and a salon that is just full of empty chairs. But what if you could earn an extra $197 every month by helping businesses show up in the first page of Google and even get recommended by AI? Most local businesses are not getting enough clients because they are not getting recommended by the search engines. And one of the big reasons for that is because they don't get enough Google reviews. If they don't get many reviews, they will have a low ranking on Google Maps and they will have low customers and low revenue on their business. And right now with AI tools just like ChatGPT, so having no reviews doesn't just hurt, it makes the business invisible to a whole new layer of search. And most business owners know the importance of that, but they just don't have a system to collect that efficiently. And that's where you come in, where you can offer this service to help them build a simple automation that builds trust, boosts their rankings, and gets them found all on autopilot. 88% of customers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. But most businesses, they just do the job and go to the next one, into the next one, and they don't have a system to follow up with that. And this is not just about looking good online, but actually costs real money, because lower star ratings, they actually affect how that business ranks on Google Maps, and that affects how many people are going to click on it and how many people are going to visit their business and become a client. Just by moving a business from 3.8 to 4.5 stars can dramatically boost their traffic. So what's the solution here? Is by having an automated system that sends and asks for a kind review at the perfect time when they finish their appointment. Usually it's recommended to send this message when they already finished their appointment, but not too long after. So they are still fresh, they're still happy with the results, and they will be happy to take a few minutes to leave a review for your business. And the solution here is by having this automated system that sends a reminder for them to just click the link, leave a review, nice and easy, just a few hours after their appointment. And who needs this? You can think about any local business that are ranking on Google Maps. So restaurants, cafes, plumbers, clinics, dental offices, hair salons, retail shops, boutiques, because the more reviews, the more ratings, the higher the ranking, the higher the traffic, and more that business is going to grow and the more they can pay you. And if you use GoHighLevel, you can easily set this up. If you go to your account, you just click on reputation, and here is where you can manage all your reviews. You can import reviews from other sources, like from Etsy, for example, and you can set this up. If you go to reputation, go to settings, and here you can set up, for example, an email request and how long do you want them to receive, how many tries. If they don't submit a review immediately, you can send another one, and you can just set an email template. You can also send as SMS. You can also send. There's also reviews AI that you can set it up. You can set up an agent to chase that for you. You can create a QR code. You can send WhatsApp requests. It's really up to that that business that you are serving, what's the best way for them, and you can literally set this up, keep this going, and manage all these reviews for your client. You can create widgets. This is always updated on their website, and the more value you can add to them, the happier they are going to be to pay you for this service. And how much can you charge for this service? Well, you can charge anywhere between $100 to $197 a month per client. Try to understand what the client's needs are so you can create bundles that are irresistible to your client, so you're not offering just one service. You can add more value. For example, for these laser, let's say you want to help a laser removal clinic, you can create an ebook for them. You can create like a mini training, so improves that experience for the client, and include that in your bundle, in your service as well. The more value you add, the happier they are going to be to pay you this amount every month. If you're ready to get your first client, as usual, I have a mini challenge for you. You're going to go on Google, you're going to find the top 3 clinics. Maybe if you want to have like a clinic or a salon, pick the business that you feel excited to help them, and analyze the reviews and find like where is the gap. Maybe there's gonna be like a salon that has 200 reviews and one of them that has like 80 reviews. So see that gap and pitch to them a system that can help them get more reviews. Be creative and find ideas that will resonate with that client. Okay, you just learned a system that you can set up for businesses and get paid at least $197 every single month per client. But there is another problem that happens with businesses as well, because they get clients coming in, but they have no follow-up. They don't warm up that lead. They have the leads that sign up on their business, but they don't warm up, and that's where they leave so much money on the table. And that's where you can come in and offer a brand new service to them. The next service that I'm going to share with you, you can charge at least $297 a month, and yes, it's going to be a little more complex. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you subscribe and watch the next video. I'll see you there. Bye.